Welcome to Module 7 of our Capcut video editing series for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to change the background of your videos right in Capcut. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring in the video I want to use as my background video. And then next up, I'm going to bring in the talking head video. And then I'm going to place it right above the video I want to use for my background. Let me extend my timeline. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this to reduce it to let both of them match. Okay, be on the same timeline, right? So next up, I'm going to come to to my video tab right now. Ensure that your video tab is active and come to remove background, right? Now you're going to see two options. You have the auto remover and the custom remover. Now, most times I prefer using the auto remover because it does the job without much adjustments and setting. So I'm just going to go right ahead and click auto remover. And as you can see, the background of the video has been completely taken out in just one click. So I'm going to preview this video and let's see the final result. Right, so as you can see, this is pretty cool. Right, so you can even adjust. You can adjust the video, the talking head video, right, to any size you want. I can make it smaller, like this. And I can even make, okay, so let's preview the video, or I can just make it big as well so you see clearly. So let's play the video once again. So as you can see, this background remover in CapCut is pretty smooth, and it was able to do that in just one click. So this is how you can remove the background of any video right in CapCut. So if you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course ensure the notifications is turned on. Now I have other videos in this CapCut video editing series for beginners. Okay, I'll leave the link to the entire playlist as a pinned comment in the description box of this video. So go ahead and watch other videos in this CapCut video editing tutorials for beginners playlist. So once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next module.